Today I'm going to teach you how to view all Weblinks in PDF files using Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. This is incredibly useful when you need to quickly identify and manage all the hyperlinks embedded in a document, whether you're reviewing references, checking sources, or simply organizing your PDF content more effectively. First, open Adobe Acrobat on your computer and log in with your credentials. Make sure you're fully signed in before proceeding, as this ensures you have access to all the features available in Acrobat Pro DC. Once you're logged in, you'll see the main interface where you can access your files and various editing tools. Now, navigate to Recent Files. This section displays all the PDFs you've recently opened, making it quick and easy to access your working documents. From here, select the file you want to view all Weblinks in. Simply click on it to open the document. Give it a moment to load completely so that all the content, including embedded links, is properly rendered on your screen. With your PDF now open, look to the upper left toolbar. This is where you'll find the main editing controls for your document. Click on Edit. This action opens up a range of editing options that allow you to modify and interact with your PDF in various ways. The Edit menu is your gateway to more advanced features beyond simple viewing. Once you're in the Edit section, direct your attention to the left sidebar. This sidebar contains additional tools and options for working with your document. Click on More. This expands the menu to reveal even more specialized features that aren't immediately visible in the standard toolbar. In the expanded menu, click on Link. This specific tool is designed for managing and interacting with all the hyperlinks in your PDF. After clicking Link, you'll see another option appear. Select View Web Links. This final action will display all the web links embedded throughout your PDF document, giving you a comprehensive overview of every hyperlink present in the file. And there you have it. You can now see all the web links in your PDF, making it much easier to review, verify, or manage them as needed. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.